Okay, guys, next we have a Norfolk Southern GP38-2. Bachmann standard line. Nothing special. Okay, let's get to it. Right here we got a New Haven 44-tonner Bachmann Spectrum behind a Province and Woodchester, as you know. I don't have to say the specs, but because it will not pull this train, I had to double head it. So, here we go. Okay guys, thank you for watching this series. I had fun, well not really fun, but I had fun doing it and all that, so I look forward to making some more videos and I'm hoping my next video will be, at least in HO scale, will be over at Big Al Mayo's house, Monster Railroader on the YouTube. So yeah, I contacted him via YouTube PM and asking him if I could come see his layout, because you know we see it all on YouTube, but seeing it on video doesn't mean anything. Seeing it in person, now there's a treat. seeing it in person. I'm hoping, because he YouTubes it himself, I'm hoping I can do it also. So I'll bring down a few of my engines and all my rolling stock, and we'll run some trains, talk trains, and yeah, go from there. So one Saturday, maybe next Saturday or Sunday or something like that, we'll go see his layout, me and my dad, and run some trains, run some of his trains, run some of my trains, maybe put a whole train together of a mix of mine and his. That would be cool. The only bad thing is the two engines that are running DCC are crappy DCC Dakotars from Bachmann, so I don't know. I don't run DCC because it's not even a 4x8, it's like a 3x4 or something, or I shorten it. No, I don't know, but I know it's shorter width-wise and shorter, it's shorter width-wise, you know, here to the wall. And I think it's shorter from this filing cabinet PlayStation box to that bookcase, so. But there is one good thing coming out of going to Seattle. I have a car that I had probably, a year. I bought it a year ago, thinking, oh, I'll make a layout with 22 radius curves or better. That car box says 24 minimum or recommended. That's 18. Great to cartoon. Never really ran on. I never actually pulled it. It's a well, you probably saw it's a Pullman High Cube. It's a 86 footer. Bought it from my local hobby shop. Never thinking that I can only do 18. I have 22 snap tracks right in one of these plastic ones, but I can't run them. It can run the car, but I can't have them run on this. It's too wide. So I have to suffer with just this being a shelf queen, I guess you could say. So have a good day, guys, and talk to you later.